Hello everyone. Today, we will show you how to edit models in groups. When working on a project with multiple models, grouping and editing them together can make your workflow more efficient. To group models, select one model and hold the Shift key while selecting other models. Then, click on the Group option, or use the shortcut Shift+G to group them. If you need to edit a specific model within the group, double-click on it. This allows you to change its position separately. To ungroup the models, click on the Ungroup button or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+G. To change the material of a model, go to the Material Editor option. Here, you will see the available materials for the selected model. Choose the material you want to apply. And once done, click on Done. You also have additional options like Flip, Copy, and Hide. To unhide hidden furniture, click on the eye symbol at the bottom, select Furniture, and then choose Floor Furniture to restore hidden objects. Other available features include adding to favorites, deleting, locking, and creating arrays. There are two types of arrays, linear array and polar array. For a linear array, select the desired array type and choose between fixed pitch and fixed length. In fixed pitch, enter the number of items. In fixed length, specify the total length. Click Confirm to create the array. Select the center point and choose between fixed intervals and fixed total angle. Choose the desired option and click Confirm to complete the arrangement. This is how you can efficiently edit and arrange models using grouping and array options.